Recording. Okay.
Large. Seems fine now. Let's run. Okay, it's fine now. So let's first thing we need to create two screen. One is a screen dashboard. Like yesterday training session I mentioned. So this will be a composable function. Screen dashboard. This will contain a column. Let's film size, vertical arrangement at center, and horizontal alignment also be center horizontally. Also it will take some data. So let's copy from the library documentation. Navigation, destination. Let's import it. Also I am adding a text.
Okay.
Screen dashboard. Also we need to add the root nav graph annotation. The start will be true. I will explain why you need to add this, but for now let's check this everything finds. Let's copy the screen one text. Okay, let's make it nullable.
Okay.
Also I am creating a preview function. Let's call the function inside the preview. I'm copying the screen 2 times. File. Screen profile, which will be also screen the root destination. Also I am creating the payment screen payment. Let's okay, so let's build and okay, today is everything fine. I think it will work. So we just added a 3 screen here, you can see. Let me change the background color, then you can understand. Background color dot.
Was that the error yesterday? The nav graph?
Yeah,
Error?
yesterday error has fixed because it's all about the version mismatching issue.
Mismatch issue. Yes.
This issue in compose we are using a library which is compose destination, so it's version mismatch issue. That's why I can't able to input the libraries.
Problem or issue.
Sorry, ma'am, could you repeat?
It was the version issue.
Yes,
Yeah,
version issue.
it's about the
Yes,
version issue.
version issue.
I will share the source code after finish the training. So
Okay.
I'm changing background color according each of screen for each of screen. So for screen dashboard will be green, payment will be red, and profile will be blue. Let me refresh and see how it's look like. Okay, text is not visible clearly. Let's add more alpha. Let's refresh it. Yeah, it's not here. Okay, let's change the text color. Color dot white. Yes. Font size will be also. I'm adding a button which will handle our click event. Text. Next. Uh, Whatever you want. Text will be. It's a on click function.
Change the background color. This is too deep.
Okay. I will change for demonstration. I am just send a screen profile. Also, it's payment, not profile. Okay, let's run our app. Here you can say this is the emulator. This is the Android emulator. App is running. Currently, we are in dashboard screen. If I press next, you can see nothing happen. Let me uh, uh, delete it, and also I'm changing settings from Android Studio. Yeah, emulator is running. Here you can see we are in currently in dashboard screen, so nothing is happening. So we are going to add a functionality. Whenever we click on the next button, it will migrate. It will open the next screen, navigate to my screen. So nothing is happening. So for this, you have to call the navigator function, which we provide in the screen dashboard. Okay, I am explaining from the scratch. So we yesterday's training session I told you about the navigation. So navigation graph. So if I open the navigation graph, here you can see the navigation graph. It's look like this image. So our application contains lots of screen: profile screen, dashboard screen, payment screen, and whatever according you need. So for this we are implementing navigation graph. So we create three screen: one is profile, payment, and the screen, dashboard screen. So if you launch any app, you will see a first screen, which is root screen. So yeah, also we have to initialize our root screen, because our application started from the dashboard screen. So I am providing a root graph. I create a new function, screen dashboard, which is a composable function because we are using Jetpack Compose. And also I add the destination. So you have to add the destination. This is the uh, rules of using navigation graph libraries, navigation destination. Also I am mentioned that this is the root screen. It means when we open our app, it will start from the screen dashboard. There you can see screen dashboard. So the same code I also use in payment screen. Here you can see just root navigation is missing. If I split, then you will see the difference between profile. So here you can see this is the another screen. So each of the time when we are creating new screen, we have to create a function. Our function will behave as like activity, that means screen. So how can I tell Android Studio this is a screen? We want to draw something on the screen. Then you have to add the destination annotation. So I add the destination annotation in dashboard screen and profile screen. Also I have created another screen, which is profile screen, payment screen. This is the payment screen, screen payment. So how can I navigate each of screen when we are pressing the button? So I am changing the dashboard screen to dashboard screen button text. Here you can see next to dashboard profile. So when we click on the profile button, it will navigate to profile screen. So in here we already know about the button widget. Button widget as same as column, row column widget. It's a button, so it has some own behavior, own facilities. It takes user click event. So when we press the button, it will trigger this block of code. So in here we are calling we need to call the navigator function. So navigator dot navigate. Our route name is screen profile destination. This is a automatically generated destination. This is the route. So we are first thing you have to call the destination navigator. Destination navigator will help you to navigate each of screens. So I call the navigation dot I navigate function will navigate to help you to navigate another each of screens. So this navigate function actually takes the route. So if I open the auto generated class, you can see this is the object. You don't need to understand that. I just uh, showing you. So in here you can see the base route, the screen profile. Actually whenever you call the screen destination object, it give the destination screen profile name. Okay, So whenever we click on the profile screen, it will navigate to the dashboard. So let's run the app and see it's work or not. Okay, currently we are in profile screen. Let's press the button. Here you can see screen changed. Currently currently we are in a profile screen. So if I press next, nothing happened because we didn't write code for the profile screen. So let's write this code for profile screen. So whenever we click on the profile, let's change the button. Whenever we click the next button, it will navigate to the payment screen. So let's change the text of the button next to the payment. The same thing, we have to call the navigator function, navigator, at the not null assertion operator, navigate, and the route name will be screen payment destination. That's it, single line of code. Okay, let's run and check again. Profile, there you can see, if I click on the payment screen, you can see it's navigate to the payment screen. It's what?
Amazing. One line of code.
One line of code. Okay, so let's apply the same thing in payment screen. So open payment screen, and whenever we click on the payment screen button, it will navigate to the dashboard. So first thing, let's change the button text dashboard, and in here I'm again calling navigator, explain question mark, navigate to the screen dashboard destination. Okay, now it's fine. Let's run it again. So it's successfully run. Currently we are in dashboard screen. If I click on profile screen, there is the profile screen. If I click on payment screen, there you can see currently we are in payment screen. So if I press the dashboard, we are back to the dashboard. Okay, so now let's add some animation on the while navigating, while changing the screen, each of screen. For adding animation, we have to add a library which is
Mm,
let's set the library.
okay.
I'm copying the version name from Ima Compose. Version name here. Let's sync the project. We add a library. So whenever you add new library, each of time you have to sync it. Okay. So For now, adding animation. Aaron, do you know how can I add the animation in this library?
Yes, you need to add a different file for that.
Which file?
Don't follow this guide. This is not the guide we want to follow. Go to their website, their documentation, and they have a separate documentation for that. Compose destination has its separate documentation for this.
Animation.
Yes.
Destination. In here.
No, they have a documentation website. This is their GitHub page.
This one.
Yes, this one.
Style.
Search for animation there. There is a search box. There is a
Okay.
search box. Yeah. Search for animation.
Which one?
Custom animation, yes, this one. Yes, follow this.
Okay, I have to create another file, right? Nav host engine. File or function. Okay, let's add dialog animation. So in here, create a new. Let's create a new package, which will be any animations. In animation folder, I'm creating a new animation. I create a package for separate the source code from others. So adding dialog animation, I have created a new file. So
You will add it for the UI transition.
yeah, I will add later. Let's explain.
Okay.
Uh, let's rename it just animation. Own animation. So I have created a new object, non-dismissible dialog. This is a style. So this class extending a function, another class which is destination style dialog. So if you extend this class, you have to override this function. Okay. So let's call from screen payment and profile. So in destination, I have to mention the style. Style will be non-dialog. Uh, Class, sorry, this will be a class. Let's copy two more times, one more times. Still copy and pasting in profile screen. Okay, let's run it and check the animation it's working or not. Yeah, it's launched successfully. If I click on the profile screen, nothing has happened. Screen dashboard. I should navigate to the profile screen. Okay, let's clear, rerun that.
Yeah.
Here you can see a dialog screen animation. Feedback. Ma'am, do you understand how you can implement the animation?
Yeah, but which is the animation in this screen?
Yeah, it's animating the screen. Here you can
It's
see.
just
Little bit flickering. You noticed?
oh,
ma'am?
okay, that's it. That's the animation. Yeah.
Okay,
Just
let's edit more animation here. Let's add the profile transition animation,
Mhm.
or just let's open animation file.
Okay.
We have to override a function. Uh, let's copy all animated content scope. We need to override this function, and this function we have to return the transition animation. You don't need to remember this code, you just copy and paste. So I'm copying the code. Let's import. Screen profile destination, screen log. Screen payment destination, also screen dashboard. Dashboard destination. So I add a custom animation in our application. So in profile screen, we have to just change the animation name, profile transition. Also, I'm copy this style. Let's copy and let's also paste the dashboard screen. This Okay, let's run and check if the animation is working. Showing some issue, you need to input. Oh, I have to add another library, which is compose destination animation call library. So I forgot to add the library. Let's open it. Let's add it. Compose destination. Stop. I have to add this library for adding animation. In that Gradle. Let's change the version. This one, and let's sync it.
Okay, so James, it's time to move on daily stand-up.
Okay, tomorrow training session, I will next training session I'll show you the animation complete guideline, how you can animate.
So, ma'am, this training completed the navigation flow. As you know, it's working. And
Yeah.
in the next training, we will show you how we can implement the animation into this. Okay.
Got it.
Okay, ma'am. So, James, share your code to the ma'am and
Okay.
share your code. Okay.
Okay, I will share this.
So, ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Have a good day. Thank you.